Welcome to this video tutorial. Here I walk you through how I can flash Lumia phones. If you're a technician or an engineer that flash phones, no matter the model, you keep on getting phones, and it will be a good thing if you know how to do them. Please, if you want to learn how to flash phone, check the link on the description. It doesn't cost you much. They'll be expert on it. So here we're downloading let's download Lumia file. Add the link for the download on the description. So we're going to download it. I'll click on download. This is the file. This is a Nokia Lumia 535. So the process is the same to flash any Nokia Lumia. You wait for the download to finish, and we continue with another step. This is the downloading. The time it takes depends on your network speed. You can see I have almost 5 megabyte per second here. That's the downloading speed. Make sure you have enough data that can download it. And your internet is stable. So we're done downloading it. This is where the file is located here. Refresh, and this is the file. So we have to extract the file. Use any extracting software you have, either 7-zip or whichever one. So we have done extracting, and this is the file here. This is the driver. So we have to download the driver as well. So this is the firmware, otherwise called the flash file. So in case you want to know more about a flashing phone, it doesn't cost much. Please check the link on the description, or the first or the pinned comments. Check the link there and you will learn how to flash phone. It doesn't cost much and it's going to help you. Even if you don't want to do it for making money, it will help you. There are some certain things you can do by yourself once you know how to flash phone. Thank you as we continue with other ones.